it's me, Pip. Have you ever noticed how some things happen over and over again in a similar way? That's called a pattern, and it's all around us. You might spot a pattern in nature, like the way leaves on a tree grow, or the shape of a snowflake. You could even make your own patterns. Let's give it a try. Triangle, circle. Is that a pattern? It is, because the shapes happen over and over again. Let's try another. Triangle, circle, square, diamond. Is that a pattern, Dewdrops? No, all the shapes are different. Let's try one more. Pip, snowman, Is that a pattern? Yes, it is. It's a silly pattern. Go see if you can find more patterns. I'll see you next time.